What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a quick follow-up video to my unboxing setup for the new spray booth that I got. I'll put some clickable links in the description and at the end of the video of that video, as well as some links to products and stuff that I'm going to use. We'll get into that in a minute. So, one of the first things that I noticed was it's a sizable difference. Sizable difference in size? Words. It has less depth on the desk, which is nice because that's going to allow for it'll be able to move further back and have more room for setup. So that's pretty cool. Pretty stoked about that. You can see that this is absolutely filthy. I'm gonna go ahead and get I've got some paper and some plastic. I'm gonna try to protect that so that nice natural light stays in and it doesn't get filthy. And you can see the size. Here, this is a die cast, but still, just for reference, you can see it barely even fits in there. This one, wow, awesome. That is very, very cool. So, I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, I'm going to start getting this sealed, and then we'll get it plugged in, and we'll go from there. Be right back. All right, got it all set up, and got the hose routed out the window. Tons of room back there, so much room for activities. I'm loving how it's centrally located. It's nice, and the other one was kind of at a weird angle. I like this a lot more. I feel like I'm at a straight on when I'm shooting and sitting here. I didn't have to interrupt any of the spray gun section or my work section, so looks good. We're gonna go ahead and get this stuff on there and turn it on and actually spray something. Alright, there we go. It's all sealed and good to go. I went a little overboard on, I'm not overboard, but I pulled my layer in onto the foam and covered all the plastic parts of the booth. That way, when I go to change this, it'll be that much easier. Everything underneath, all the plastic has been covered, so it should stick easily. So, it's pretty simple. I'll put a link in the description of the stuff. It's just masking paper for painting. It's it's pretty cheap. It's like $2 a roll or something, and I've got plenty. And that about does it. I tried to do the time lapse for you to show me, taping and doing this, but the camera kept falling over, as you saw there. So, that about does that. This thing is sealed and ready to rock. Like I said too, the research that I did was pretty limited. All I really did was went on the Googles on Amazon and looked for one that had dual fans and was lighted, and that's about it. And they're all about the same. This one doesn't have a name. Someone had asked in the other video. There's no name, but you can see there's a model number there. And that's about it, really. So this thing's ready to rock. I'm pretty stoked. We'll go ahead and get something. Oh yeah, start using this thing. Pretty stoked. And there you go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.